to my channel. If you hear an echo, it's because I'm in my bathroom, but this is a very impromptu video where I just want to talk about where I am with my hair right now at this moment. I wanted to make it this big production and everything, but I said I'm going to sit down and just talk about my hair, where it is right now. So yeah, let's just do it. So as you may or may not know, I am natural. I have been natural ever since 2014. That's actually how I started this YouTube channel, and it was all about my natural hair journey and things of that nature. But since time has went on, I have moved on, and not to say that I moved on from natural hair, but I've just started wearing my hair straight. I don't really wear wash and goes. I don't wear wash and goes ever. I don't really do twist outs or braid outs. I sometimes do that, and even when I do that, it's on like straight or blown out hair. I don't have anything against my hair being in its natural state. I think it's beautiful all different ways. But right now, if you hear kids screaming, they're playing in the living room. Every 2 weeks, I should say every 2 weeks, or at least once a month, I straighten my hair. And ever since I've been doing that, I have seen a lot of growth in my hair. That's what I'm continuing to do. I've been asked what products I use, and to be honest, I cannot even say a product grew my hair. During my natural hair journey, I went through like so many products, and I really didn't even stick with any long enough to know if that's what grew my hair. I was always switching up products, and even still to this day, I do not use a specific set of products every wash day or anything like that. The only thing that I have used consistently probably is the Aussie 3 Minute Miracle deep conditioner, and that's like $3 at the store. So what I'm here to talk to you about is the technique, and I think that's really what grew my hair. I know it's not the products because I haven't used consistent products. So the first thing I can say that I saw growth in my hair, well, first things first, I've never really had trouble with my hair. I've always loved my hair. It's always grown. It's always looked full. Even when I was getting perms, at the time I didn't realize that I was damaging my hair and it could be so much more, but I've never really had a problem with my hair growing. I do believe that genetics play a huge part in the way your hair grows. Also, another thing that I started doing that I really wasn't doing much is getting trims. I get at least 2 trims a year. And I want to say, well, I shouldn't say this 2, but 2 major trims. My mom, she'll like go through and make sure my hair is pretty even. We don't ever take off much. I'd say like that much, not even a full inch. She just really just gets the end, because you don't need to chop off a lot of your hair or you will never really see growth. So she does that, and then in between I have caught myself, like at first I was just letting her do it, but I'll go through my hair, and I think this method is working as well, is picking up my hair, looking at the ends, and I'm talking about each end like separately. That's why it's good when my hair is straight. And I will find, like I see right here, a split end, and I will cut it. Now I know that seems very tedious, but I actually like it because I don't want to keep chopping my hair every time. I don't want to take this much of my hair and then just chop that much off when all of the pieces aren't bad and all the pieces don't have split ends. So I kind of like go through it. There's a name for it. But you go through your hair and you just look through it, and you take your scissors that are made to cut hair with, and you just cut those specific strands of hair. So you can do it like if you're just watching a movie, if you just have spare time. Pick a time that you could do it and just do it. And I've seen my hair grow a lot. Also, what's something else? Oh, the protection of your hair is so important. You have to protect your hair at night. And that's something I've done better as my hair has been straight. Every night I wear a bonnet. It does not matter. Every single night. And I don't even know if I was doing that before. I think I did pretty good at it. But now I'm like, I don't go to sleep without a bonnet on my hair, a satin bonnet, because at night your hair will break as you roll over cotton sheets and pillowcases and all that stuff. So make sure you have your hair covered with a bonnet. What else? So I trim my hair, I wear a bonnet. Also, another thing that I don't really do a lot is manipulate my hair. And by saying that, I don't wear a lot of tight ponytails. I don't like doing that anyway because it'll give me a headache. But I don't wear like a lot of updos. I don't do a lot of the, the really tight ponytails you can wear up, and the tight braids. And I do like braids, but I really haven't worn those in the past year, and my hair's really been growing. But even if I do wear braids, which isn't a lot now, I don't do them super tight because tension also breaks your hair off. So mainly my hair is like this. I will straighten it. I will put a bonnet on it. I don't even wrap it at night really as much either. I just make sure that I have like a scarf on, then I'll put a bonnet over it, and then when I take it down, it's still straight. So the only thing that I did this year was I did cut my bangs, which they have grown out, but I wanted like curtain bangs, but those are even growing out. So I'm trying to not cut my hair. I'm on a hair growth journey. I want to see how long my hair can get. I've cut it so many times, even since 2014. In 2021, I chopped it to here. So I want to see how long my hair can actually get if I actually leave it alone. So this is how my hair is looking. This is the back of my hair. Sorry, I'm sitting in this chair. It's really mid back. So my hair is here. So those are really the tips that I can give you. I don't have products to recommend because I still will use a random shampoo or a random conditioner, or, you know, the only thing, like I said, was the Aussie deep conditioner that I use every time I condition my hair. But yeah. Oh, and one more thing is wash. That's the main thing. How did I almost forget? The washing and conditioning of my hair consistently, I know, has added to its growth. And I wash my hair. I want to say that you should wash your hair every 2 weeks. And sometimes I have a busy schedule, so sometimes I wash my hair once a month. But every time I wash my hair, I deep condition my hair and then I straighten it. So I'm either straightening my hair twice a month or once a month. But yeah, ever since I've done that, I've seen my hair take off in growth. Like I said, I have a long story of my natural hair journey. I have a lot of things that I could talk about. So I think this should just be a part 1, or I'll just do another hair video. Let me know what questions you guys have below. Like if you have any questions about the big chop, I've done that. I have shaved my head. Just a little backstory. Back in I went natural in 2014 in the summer. Then that winter, I chopped all my hair off. Like literally had like this much hair. Then later on, I wanted it even shorter. I went to the barbershop with my husband, got my sides shaved, and I had a little mohawk. So I've had no hair to this hair. So I can tell you any questions you might have. An exciting thing about my natural hair journey is when I worked with Shea Moisture, that was like one of the biggest things. I was a Shea ambassador for the year 2017, and that was amazing. But so I have so much that goes into my natural hair story. I would love to answer any questions. If you have any questions about being a straight hair natural, if you have any questions about heat on your hair, if you have any questions about natural hair, because I still have natural hair. And yeah, I have a whole another video that I'm thinking about doing that's talking about how I don't really recommend going back to relaxers if you don't like your hair in natural state. And I just want to dive deeper into that conversation because I think it'll be beneficial for anybody that hears it. But yeah, that's just a quick video. I know this was super quick, super just like random, but I wanted to get it out there and just start this conversation about hair so you guys can follow with me. I'm excited to see how long my hair can get because my hair has never been this long my whole entire life. And it's ever since I stopped getting perms and went natural. And even though I don't put heat on my hair, I don't follow maybe all the natural hair rules, my hair is growing. So this is just my story. I'm not even recommending that you do everything that I do because everybody's hair is different. Things that I'm doing to my hair might be damaging to your hair. It just all depends on your hair, guys. It's really like that. But I'm just sharing my story and what's happened with my hair. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me you want more, and I will be glad to do more hair videos because I know I've done a lot of makeup videos on this channel, but yeah, I would love to do hair videos. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for being here. I love you. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you on the next one.